Intangible capital, the new heavyweight champion. The value of capital was already shifting from tangible capital to intangible capital by the time the internet came along. But the internet supercharged the process. It took General Electric and ExxonMobil, for example, 100 years and billions of dollars of tangible capital investments, factories, warehouses, refineries, machinery, raw materials, inventory, etc., to reach a market capitalization of $150 billion. It took Google less than 3 years to create the same amount of investor wealth using relatively little tangible capital. Tens of thousands of servers and computers linked together, and loads of intangible capital in the form of digitized information, brilliant founders and employees, and a razzle dazzle brand name. Google and Coca-Cola are just two examples of the growing impact of intangible capital on the world economy. As our world becomes more digital, more global, and more interconnected each day, intangible capital will continue to overtake tangible capital in both influence and income. To understand the evolution of capital and how the transition from tangible capital to intangible capital is changing your world, and why you need to redefine the way you think about your work and the way wealth is created, turn to the next chapter.